Alexa,
How can I help?
volume up.
Okay.
Turn on the light.
Okay.
Turn off the light.
Okay.
Turn on the fan.
Okay. The fan is turned on.
Turn off the fan.
Okay. The fan is turned off.
This is voice recognition module DF2301. Operating voltage 3.325 volt, fixed command 121, fixed wake up command 1, and cast off command 17. Now check this module at a glance. The switch is for speaker. If you slide the switch to the left, external speaker will play. If you slide this switch to the right, this default onboard speaker will play. This is communication mode selection. If you slide this switch to the left, I2C connection will be enabled, and I am using this mode here. This is I2C communication image with Arduino. So let's go for this project. Hello viewers, myself Adnan Sani, and you are watching my channel Electric Shop. Here is 121 built-in fixed voice command list. Suppose you say go forward. This module will send 22 code to Arduino. And here is 18 custom command list. You can customize it. Suppose here is turn on light, but you'd like to say turn on green light. For this sake, you have to train this module. First, we'll train wake word. Default wake word is hello robot. We will change it to hello honey. Hello robot.
How can I help?
Learning wake word.
Learning now. Be quiet. Please say the wake word to be learned.
Hello honey.
Learning successful. Please say it again.
Hello honey.
Learning successful. Please say it again.
Hello honey.
Okay. Learning completed.
Exit learning. Now learning completed. If I say hello honey, it will respond. Hello honey.
Yes, I'm here.
When blue LED glows means it is on standby mode. Now if you want to delete wake word, then the process is hello honey.
How can I help?
I want to delete.
Do you want to delete the learned wake word or command word?
Delete wake word.
Deleting successful.
Now if I say hello honey, it won't respond. Hello honey. Not responding. Hello honey. Not responding at all. Hello robot.
How can I help?
Now we'll move on how to customize command word. Alexa,
Yes, I'm here.
learning command word.
Learning now. Be quiet. Please learn the command word according to the prompt. Please say the first command to be learned.
Green light on.
Learning successful. Please say it again.
In this way, you can customize command or you can use default command. On serial monitor, you can see the command ID. Green light on.
Okay.
5. Light down.
Okay.
6. Red light on.
Okay.
Using these command IDs by programming, we will drive loads. In the code, this is library file, and here set wake time 15 means when you say hello robot, it will remain on standby mode for 15 seconds and then it will go for sleep mode. Here is command ID, already customized it to 5678, and for buzzer it is default ID 8889. Let's check voice customization works or not. Hello robot.
How can I help?
Green light on.
Okay.
light down,
Okay.
red light on,
Okay.
light off.
Okay.
Hopefully this video brings you something. Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.